Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, you will learn about the use of trim command in AutoCAD. So, let us begin. On keyboard press TR and hit enter to activate trim command. Then select the target line to trim off lines. Instead, you can use the direct method for the trim. But now I will teach you the direct method for trimming. After pressing TR, hit twice Enter key for the direct method. Then, do the selection of both the lines at once. If you completed your task, then erase the target line. For more practice, use trim command on the smaller part of the lines. I hope you like our tutorial, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.